This loaf of bread is almost 2,000 years old, and it was never eaten because the city that baked it disappeared. This bread was discovered inside a bakery in Pompeii, a Roman city buried when Mount Vesuvius erupted in 79 AD. When archaeologists opened the ovens, the loaves were still there, burned black but perfectly shaped, as if the baker had only stepped away for a moment. Pompeii was alive with bread. The city had more than 30 bakeries for a population of about 12,000 people. Before sunrise, ovens were already glowing across the streets. Donkeys walked slow circles, turning heavy lava stone mills. Grain became flour, flour became dough. The loaves were shaped into round wheels and cut into 8 wedges so they could easily be broken and shared. Some loaves carried stamps pressed into the dough. One Pompeii loaf reads, Caelor, Slave Quintus Granius Verus. The baker's name was Caelor. In Latin, it means swift. The bread he made was meant to last only a few hours. Yet that small mark carried his name across 2,000 years. Bread was the center of Roman life. Families gathered around it. Workers ate before the day began. Meals were simple. Bread, fruit, wine. Someone in Pompeii even painted a meal like this one on their wall. A quiet moment of ordinary life. On the morning of the eruption, the city was still moving. Mills turning, ovens burning, bread baking. Someone expected breakfast. Someone expected the city to wake up like any other day. But Vesuvius had already begun to erupt. Ash filled the sky. The baker left, and the bread remained. Pompeii disappeared. 2,000 years later, and the last loaf is still waiting.